Okay. What do we got here?
We got another engine that we're going to take apart to rebuild the tiny engine.
Welcome to another Porsche Speedster One Rotor build, where in the last one it actually was broken. So we're going to ruin this perfectly healthy 13B and then maybe put this together right this time. Oh, it was put together correctly last time. It was
just a amateur mistake on my part.
So we will begin the disassembly of this, which just a few months ago was working. Kind of sad.
Like our engine beats up.
4 2.3s and everything, dude.
That should be our theme engine.
All right, here's what caused our problems. Time to try again. So much louder than I thought. This is a slightly heavier power keg.
Chernobyl Reactor 4.
Rotors are actually good engine. Using our torque multiplier again. All the torque, boy.
We need to lock this. Okay, that seems to be wedging. You want to apply some force to that real quick?
I'm scared though. Oh, I'm real scared. I don't want this to slip off and ruin my finger.
I don't want this to slip off and ruin my face.
So I want this documented in case this kills us.
Crank it! Did it go?
Yeah, it did, boy.
That really did not feel good on my elbow.
Alright, this motherfucker should be hot enough now.
We love and respect rotaries.
That was anticlimactic. Oh, there it is.
Oh!
Hey, we caught something. So we'll do something with those.
Nope.
Sounds like a real you problem. There's one of the apex seals.
There's one of the side seals too, but we grabbed 2 of the corner seals.
Yeah, I got them.
Whatever, as long as we have a full set, who cares?
All right, so cleaning up the old rotor, we're finding out that it's not going to be usable. I'll show you what we're talking about. Here's one of our side seals. Focus, you fuck. So right here is one of our side seals, and here's where they fit in. It's kind of hard to tell, but it's a little smashed up right there, and they slide in like that. But this side progressively gets tighter, and you can't actually physically fit one of these in over here. So we're not going to be able to put side seals back in this. This rotor is toast. So we're going to be using one of James's.
Yeah, we'll see if that blows up the engine even harder this time for you guys.
Hey.
Okay, so last time our engine ailments were caused by some home porting, which we're attempting again because fuck it. Woo, let's do our own porting. This time we're using...
I don't want to be slow, so we gotta port things.
We also don't want to wait to get them, send them out and spend money and only have all the tools to do it here.
Yeah.
This time we're basically doing the method that Hoonigans just did a video on. Putting a little bit of tape down to protect it.
Did this last time, just not on the iron that killed the engine.
So with an improved method, we should be pretty good. What we really focused on is making sure that there's no burrs that are going to catch the side seals and tear them to pieces and make our engine slowly lose compression. So these are both good to go. The other one's already on the stand. Now we just put the stack back together and engine is rebuilt. Careful. Careful.
Broke a side seal.
Come on, dude. Rotaries are robust and reliable. That would never happen.
Most of them seem to be. Not this one.
Not ours. Wow.
Okay.
Big boys so good. Apex seal.
Because there's half of them not that they're supposed to be.
Half of them. Everybody thinks we blew our apex seals, but that's because people on the internet don't know the difference between a side seal.
All seals in a rotary are apex seals.
You were gonna blow your apex seal. You don't know how to tune things.
I tried to smush as much goop in there as I could.
Smoosh.
Smorsh.
Smoosh.
Smeesh.
Were there some things done incorrectly? Sure.
Definitely.
Is it filled with dog hair and anaerobic gasket maker? Maybe.
Are we hacks?
Is it rebuilt though?
That is not the right amount of bolts.
This isn't nearly enough bolts.
Do we not?
Oh, there they are.
Yo, stagger them and send it, dude. Okay, so this thing's rebuilt, ready to test the actual compression. Ooh.
Yes. Gasoline makes it extra sticky.
Oh, it's got plenty of compression.
Got lots of chooch.
Cool. Because last time when when this was taken out a while ago,
We're like, oh, that's fine, and it made like no noises at all.
you could like spin it and it would like keep spinning. Truffle butter. Okay, so believe it or not, we got this shit back in and back together in one day. There's some sketchiness going on, like there's no alternator, there's no water.
This is our pièce de résistance.
There's a free-floating oil filter. But let's see if
It's not a Fram that was on an FD
it's shown
engine.
signs of life already, so
Yeah.
we're pretty positive it should just go now.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah, ready to go. Here, I'll hold the GPS so we can plug there.
Lots of Vaseline.
I think it's a little on the rich side. It's on there. Let's calibrate that TPS real quick. Just make sure you're actually getting a value of any kind. Clear. Fit gauge.
Shooting smoke rings.
Yeah, it's shooting smoke rings and shit. All right, well, we don't have much Vaseline smoke anymore, so.
Not much what? James, not much.
It sounds good. It's so reasonable. That's it.
Not much what smoke, dude?
Not much what, James?
Wake up, you whore! I like speaking to you.
Okay, so this thing's pretty much at the point where it's ready to drive again, so we're gonna give that a try in a few minutes, but the first mod to the Corvette is here, and that's ruining it. And it is a beautiful car, in beautiful condition, and we're gonna put holes in it.
I'm buying a carbon fiber
don't look at
hood
me,
when
it's not
money
my
permits,
decision.
So,
It's this guy's decision.
it doesn't matter. This hood can get fucked up.
It's a 80s GM product. Who fucking cares?
Nerds.
Like,
80s GM nerds.
they made
Piss
a
off all
lot
of
of
you.
these. Who cares?
Yeah, right.
Just go for it.
Fuck you. I can do that. I've done it before.
You have proof.
It actually moves now.
Wow, it feels good. I don't want to get too crazy since we don't have the secondary injection turned on.
We're just rolling around the parking lot right now, but I can already tell you it's 1,000 times better than it ever was.
Oh yeah, this thing actually is working. I can coast and it won't die too.
It actually seems to be working pretty good. I was just trying to film it, but I didn't have record going. But they're just looping around right now.
These brakes are fucking god awful in the front. They're scraping pretty bad, but it's working. We still have a little bit of stick loss. That's why it's coughing, but
So we're honestly super happy with that. We're not ready to send it down the street in full boost mode.
Not yet.
Because obviously we want to be careful with the tune this time, and you know, when it gets to that point where we want to make boost, we'll probably bring it to a dyno with a professional.
And the front brakes need some major adjusting. They're not quite center on the rotor, so they're a little sketch.
It feels like they're grinding like metal to metal contact every time you touch the brake pedal. It's horrifying. It's not right.
But a week ago this was in pieces, and you know, it's back running again. This was the only time that we can rebuild it free. We had all the spare parts to rebuild it, we don't. So if it blows up this time, we're gonna have to spend money on it. So we're gonna be real careful not to blow it up. But it's running and it's driving, so we're gonna start working our way towards actually making some real boost.